Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 2 of Math Excel. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Okay, then we have to click on enable editing. Then make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video, we will discuss XP22 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Inland Jewelries. So we just increase this one and change its color. Then we will solve this assignment step by step. But before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment. How many points we have in today's assignment? So okay, so we are just first we will move toward whole assignment. How many points we have in today assignment? So we have just 15 points in today assignment. Okay, so let me start today assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get A grade 100% marks. Remember that we are solving XP22 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Inland Jewelries. Here is project description and change its color. You are an account manager for Inland Jewelries, a regional company that makes custom glass rings for graduating seniors. Your supervisor requested a workbook to report on a new accounts created on payment plans. The report should provide details on total cost to student as well as payment information. So each ring finance has a base price that can fluctuate based on ring personalization. Okay, that was simply description about the project, that what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one. Now we are moving toward graded part. Steps to perform instructions. So start Excel, download and open file name. This one that we have already downloaded from Pearson platform. Then grader has automatically added our name to the beginning of file name, our last name. Okay. So first of all, we will open our solution file. Then we have to click on enable editing. Okay. So first part is done. Now we are moving toward next part. Insert a function in cell B2 to display current date in from your system. So first we have to move toward cell B2 and then we have to in a function mean equal sign. Then what function we have to in so we can get today date. We will use a now function. Then simply press enter. Okay. So question number 2 is done. After solving question number 2, we get the date, current date from our system. Then we get 10 marks from this question. Okay. Now we are moving toward question number 3. With cell B2 selected, set the width of column B to auto fit. Select cell B2B, then auto fit. Okay. So question number 3 is done. It's not graded one. Sorry, it's not graded one, but we have to make column B2 auto fit. Okay. Now we are moving toward question number 3. Insert a VLOOKUP function in a cell C5. Where is a C5? Here is C5 here. So we have to use a VLOOKUP function in C5 mean equals, then write VLOOKUP. Okay, then display ring cost for first student. This is the first one and we have to find the ring cost. So for that we have to focus on this array and make this array absolute. Okay, then the cost type ring should be an exact match. Okay, exact match mean where is cost, cost is in a second column, so we use a second column. Then for exact match we use false, then close parenthesis and press enter. So okay, there is, we have to focus on a ring type, not student name. Okay, then close parenthesis, now press enter and get result. Okay, now you may see Dustin is has a silver type. Okay, so cost of silver type is 400. Yeah, exactly match. Okay, then use appreciate as relative and absolute cell reference. Yes, we have done and we get 14 marks from this question. Okay, so question number 5 is done. In question number 5 we have to insert a VLOOKUP function in cell C5, then to display the ring cost for first student. The cost of the ring type should be an exact match, that's why we use a false. Okay, so question number 4 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 5. Fill the function from cell C5 to range C6 to C11. Okay, now we have to fill this ring. Okay, then we have earned 6 marks from here. Okay, so question number 5 is done. In question number 5 we just fill the function that we have created in question number 4 from cell C5 to C11. Okay, so question number 5 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 6. Apply accounting number format in the range C5 to C11. Here is C5 to C11. Here we have to apply accounting number format. Open there and there is accounting number format and simply press OK. So question number 6 is done and we have earned 5 marks from there. In question number 6 we just apply accounting number format to the range C5 to C11. Okay, now we are moving toward question number 7. In question number 7 we have to insert an if function in cell E5 to calculate total due. If student has chosen to personalize ring, there is an additional charge 5% located in cell B21 that must be added to the cost of the ring. If not, then student only pays the price, base price. Okay, so we have to move to our cell E5 here, and here we use if function, and according to condition we have to use the formula and we will get 14 marks from this question step by step. So same way we will solve other parts. You may see we have just 14 questions in today's assignment. Out of 14 questions we have done first 7 questions in today's video. Mean half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. In today's video we have discussed XP22 Excel chapter 2 cumulative assessment inland jewelries. Instead we just discussed project description, then we move toward graded part and we have solved question number 1, 2, then we have solved question number 3, then we have solved question number 4. Question number 4 is our main question in which we have to use a VLOOKUP function in cell C5 where we have to display the ring cost for first one. The cost or ring type should be exact match, that's why we use false. Okay, Then after finding a C5 value using VLOOKUP, then we move toward question 5, and there we have to fill the function C5 to C11. Okay, then we just move toward question number 6, where we have to apply a counting number format to the range C5 to C11. In question number 7, we have to move toward cell E11, E5, and there we use if function to calculate total due. Okay, so question number 7. So same way we will solve other parts. So almost half of assignment, 50% assignment is done from my side in today video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Or remember that your file will be ready in next 30 minutes. Result will be 100% and price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and marks will be 100% in overall course. I am also expert of mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get E grade 100% marks in next 30 minutes with a reasonable price. So in today's video, we have discussed XP22 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Inland Jewelry. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that, you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.